how bad is the damage? I mean, obviously, are there tombstones that are gone?
Uprooted.
Uprooted. Okay,
Several of them uprooted.
But they're all here.
We believe.
Okay. That's the most.
All the trees moved. That's the one thing good is last year my wife and 2 other ladies actually documented the whole cemetery.
Oh wow, I bet that was the job.
Now, we did it mainly so that we could honor the vets. We knew exactly where to stick the flags every year.
Yeah.
And
Go
then
ahead.
now we went and now we're able to locate every single
Veteran.
site and know that the stones,
Oh wow.
we know the ones that have stones, the ones that don't.
Wow. I bet that took a while.
Yeah, they put several hours in.
So you believe they're all here? All the stones are here. That's a good thing. Man, it's like a war zone.